Here we are with a Keystone Hideout 2016 28 BHS. Has a leaky toilet. I'm going to show you how to do it. Stay tuned. So here is our toilet. It's really easy to, simple to replace. The problem with this here toilet is it's actually leaking through this joint here. The toilet, from people sitting on it too hard, or actually caused it to break a seal, and now we have to replace the whole thing. All you're going to do is take off the blue water line in the back and the bolt that's down there on that side and that side. As soon as I get that done, we'll be right back. Alright, we're talking maybe 5 minutes to get this toilet off. It's sitting right there now. Let's go get the new one. Okay, wow. I'm really impressed. I just took this one out, this one out of the box. It's brand new. This one has a plastic lid, the old one. This one has a composite and slow closing lid. So no more in the middle of the night hearing somebody shut the toilet lid. Perfect. Came with all new hardware. This is the old one. Came with all new hardware. We're going to change this out and put it back in. So let's hit it. Okay, after tightening up the two bolts on either side, both sides I mean, I went ahead and got it all right and tight. She's stable and everything looks good. So I am looking forward to giving it a shot. We will find out when we go camping this weekend. Well, actually tomorrow. All right, thank you for watching.